Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app, settings. Here you will search about flip and you will click. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your